To complete our worksheet, we only need one item, a pencil. To improve our understanding and make it a little bit more fun, we can add a ballpoint pen and a felt tip marker. Stippling is the process of making small dots or dabbing strokes. Where they are placed close together, we should be able to make the bottom of our value scale 100% light absorption. As we get to the top, we will leave it completely blank so that it is 0% light absorption. As we go from bottom to top, the dots will get gradually more spaced out. I'm going to start just gradually spacing my dots further and further apart. This is different than the pen style cross-hatching. Leaving the space completely blank, gradually I'll fill in the base. So I know I need more dots here. Stippling gives you a lot of control.